here's a list of the 9 vocabulary words that I want you to be familiar with by the end of this module. Since there are so many, I want you to choose 2 that you're going to familiarize yourself with a lot right now. So choose whichever 2 you want. I suggest choosing 2 that you know about the least. That way it can help you learn about what they mean. So once you choose your 2, go to the supply shelf and you're going to get a vocabulary word sheet that looks like this. You're going to need 2 of them because you're doing 2 words, remember? 1 for each word. I want to show you an example of one that I did so that you can see what I expect. Okay, this is the example that I did. I used a word from the moon phases and eclipses module. My word that I chose was full moon. So I'm going to write full moon in the middle here. And then for the definition in your own words, I wrote a full moon is when the entire face of the moon is lit by the sun's reflection. Okay, so this is in my own words. Then the facts and the characteristics. These are just added information that's important, but not part of the definition. So it creates a perfect circle, and it only happens once every 29.5 days. Then for the bottom, I did examples and non-examples. My example is a picture of the full moon. I even colored it in so that it's easier to see. Also, I make sure that it's labeled. Make sure that your pictures are labeled, because if I didn't label this, it would just look like I drew a yellow circle on my paper. So please make sure you label them. Then for non-examples, I included 2 examples that definitely aren't a full moon. That way I can see what it should look like and what it shouldn't look like. So this is what your paper should look like for both of your words. Make sure that you choose words from that list in Canvas. These words, choose 2 of these words and then fill them out on your vocab sheet.